the opportunity come to sit at the table with ETC staff and discuss the program and, you know, what it does and the future of it, I just thought this is the perfect opportunity.
So ShoreTrack aims to develop the skills, self-confidence and resilience of marginalised young people in our community. So the ETC very generous funding opportunity has allowed us to employ a full-time carpenter, concreter, who is also the coach of the local football team, which means he's really well connected with young people, really respected by young people. It's allowed us to develop the metal fabrication space, which is really relevant in our community because the metal fabrication automotive cluster is one of the biggest employers in our community and really needy of entry-level young people.
These sort of machines are used down at express coaches, mid-coast trucks, and a lot of other areas within the industrial estate. What we plan to do with the machine is to imitate those industries within our area and have the boys practice on these sort of machines in a much more supported environment. So this is a guillotine. Once again, it can take a sheet of up to 2 mil steel, mild steel, through it, and it can do a nice clean cut, which then once we get the size of the material that we want, then we can take it over to the pan brake and fold it into an item that may be used in the manufacturing of buses or trailers or something like that. So whilst they're learning, they can actually still be a part of that journey of making a bus or making a trailer, say for mid-coast trucks.
Support of community and ETC, we have been able to build to where we are now. So in 15 months we are so happy with not only the shed but the outcomes of our young people. Like yesterday we secured employment for our 5th young person this year, so we're really excited.